Hello friends, welcome back to Inventor Tutorials. Today we will learn how to make a basic model in Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started. From here, go to New, and here we will select the standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Okay. Now here go to 2D Sketch. We will select the XY plane. So this is the XY plane. Now from here we will select the circle command. Take the center point and make here a circle. Now go to dimension and here select this and make a diameter of 120 mm. Okay. Now the value is changed to 120 mm. Now finish sketch and here go to the extrude command. You can see here extrude command and take here extrude of 15 mm. Okay, so you can see the change, and I'll take here the symmetric extrude and press OK. Okay, now I'll make the cut profile, so I'll click this. Now I have this cut profile over. I'll take the front view, so this will be the front. Okay, now from here I'll go back to the part which I'm making. Now select this face and here I'll take create sketch. Here go to the circle command, select the center point over here, make the circle and make one more circle here. Okay, now here I'll define the diameter. Go to dimension and select here. This will be a diameter of 108 mm. Okay, and the inner circle here, this will be diameter of 40 mm. Okay, now here go to the line command and make a center line. Select here and here select the center point, and here I'll press escape. Select this line, right click and make it a construction geometry. Okay, now here go to line command once again and make a line here till the circle. Okay, now go to trim and trim this extra line. Now here go to dimension and here select this point, select the center line, and here I'll define this distance as 12 mm. Okay, now I want one more constraint. Select the center line and select this, and I'll give an angle here of 15 degrees. Okay, now this is fully defined. Now here you can see a fully constrained sketch is being shown. Now here go to the mirror command and here it will ask you select the profile and then the mirror line. First I am selecting the profile. The profile to be mirror is this, and now here go to mirror line and select this mirror line, and here go to apply. Now it is done. Okay, now go to the trim command, select this outer profile, so this will be trimmed. Similarly select. Now we will give the radius on these edges. So for radius I'll go to the fillet command and here I'll select the radius of 6. Select this edge, select this edge, select this edge and select this edge. I'll change the radius to 3. Select here and select here. Similarly, select here and select here. Okay. Now finish sketch, or you can make the other profile also. Double click the sketch. If you come out from the sketch, double click the sketch, so it will reactivate the sketch. Okay. Now here, go to the line command and make one line here. Okay. Now escape. Now from here we will take the parallel constraint. Select this line, select this line. Now go to dimension. Select this line and select this line. We have a distance of 5 mm. Okay. Now here I want this profile, the radius profile. So again I have to make the circles, or you can make the arc. So here I will not go to the circle command. Here I will take arc and take the center point arc. Now here select the center point, select this edge and make one arc. Okay. So it will automatically take the radius. Now press escape. Now here I want a pattern of this profile. So go to the pattern command, circular pattern, select this complete profile. Okay, select this radius also, select this and select this. Okay, now here it will ask you the geometry I have selected. For axis, click on here and I'll select on the center. Okay, now it will ask you the count. I want a count of 3 and the filling angle will be 360 degrees. Okay, now you are unable to see anything. Now I'll press here OK. Now you can see 3 patterns over. So this profile is needed to construct this bigger profile. Okay. Now here again we will go to the arc command and again select center point arc. Okay. Select this point, select here and make one arc. Okay. Now here I'll go to the line command, select this point and here select this end point of the arc. Now escape. So this will be the joining profile. Okay. Now here we will define this radius and this radius. So go to dimension, define this as radius of 40, or this was 40 dia, so this is radius 20. Okay, and this was of 108 mm, so this will be 108 by 2. Okay, and now for this we will go here for parallel constraint, select this line and select this line. Now here go to dimension, select here and select, give dimension of 5 mm. Okay. Now here I want the fillet at all the corners. So I'll again go to the fillet command and here I'll take a fillet of radius 10. So I'll define radius 10. Okay. Now I'll select this edge. Okay. I'll select this edge. I'll select this and this edge. So the profile is being created over here. as we have given all the fillet radius. So I'll click here to exit the command. Now here I want pattern of this big profile also. So I'll go to circle pattern once again. Now I'll select this profile also. So by making window and here select this and all the profile is been selected. Okay. So you can see a change of blue color. Okay. Now here go to the axis selection and here click on this center point. Okay. Now it will ask you for the count. So I'll take a count of 3 and press OK. Okay. So the profile is being created. Now you can see the whole profile. I'll zoom out. Okay. Now these are all the dimensions which I have given. Now here I'll finish sketch. So this was the sketch 2. Okay. Now here I'll take the extrude command and here I'll take a dimension of 15 mm, which is the dimension of this extrude, and here I'll click on cut profile and I'll make a window over here to select all the profiles and here press OK. So this will be a through cut. Okay. Now from here I'll click on front view, so you can see the front view here. Now I'll make the mounting profile at center. So go to the start sketch and click on this face. Okay. Now I'll take here the circle command and here select the center and here I'll make a circle of diameter 30. Okay. Now here I'll take the extrude, so I'll first finish the sketch. Okay. Now here go to the extrude command and take a dimension of 25. So I have to make an uneven extrude. So here you can see multiple options: direction 1, direction 2, symmetric extrude and asymmetric extrude. Click on asymmetric extrude. Now I'll rotate the profile to explain. Okay. So you can just click on this edge to rotate. So you can see now. So it is taking an 15 mm. This is the first dimension. So I have to take here 5 mm. Okay. So this will be the 5 mm extrude over here. Now it will travel up to the next side and come out by 5 mm. So I'll rotate the profile once again. So this is the back side. Now here it is taking 7.5. I'll change it to 20 mm. Okay, so 15 mm will be this profile and the 5 mm will be the outer profile. And press OK. So these are the joining profiles. Now here I'll rotate the profile once again. Now select this circle, go to create sketch and here I'll take the circle command for mounting holes. Select the center point and here I'll make a die of 20. Okay, and make here die of 4. Okay, now here I'll go to the vertical constraint, select the center point of the circle and select the center point. So it will be vertically aligned with the center, both the centers. Now here I'll click on escape to come out from the command. Now this is the reference geometry. Select this, right click and click on construction geometry. Okay. Now here Go to the circular pattern, select the circle, and here, as you know, click on axis, select this axis. This time I'll take a count of 6 and degree will be 360 and press OK. So 6 circles will be formed here. Okay. Now here finish sketch, and here I'll go to the extrude once again. Select all the profiles. You can see here. Now click on cut. So it will automatically switch to other side. And here I'll take distance, or from here you can change it to all. So this will become a through cut by click on the all and press OK. Okay. Now here go to this previously made part. So this profile we have made, these profiles we have made. Now we will make this circles and the fillet. Go to the making profile. Now select this face, go to create sketch, and here go to the circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 108. Okay, escape, and here select this, right click, make it construction, and go to the circle command once again. Okay, make one circle over here of dia 6, make one circle over here of dia 6. Go to dimension and I'll define this dia as 6. Okay, now here I'll go to the dimension and define this. Select here, select this point. If the point is not selected, first I'll select the point and the line and define this distance as 2.5. 2.5. Okay, similarly here, select this and select here, define this as 2.5. Okay, now finish sketch, and here go to the extrude command, select both the profiles, click here on all, and here it will automatically switch to cut and press OK. Okay, now go to the pattern. Now I have not made the pattern in the sketching profile, so I'll make pattern with feature. Okay, so I'll take here circular pattern, select this, or you can select the feature. I'll take extrude 5 as feature selection, and here click on rotation axis, and I'll select this face, the circular face. So it will ask you the count here. I'll take a count here of 3. So this will show you where the circles will lie, and the degree will be 360-degree rotation and OK. Okay, now it is almost clear and done profile. Now take fillet. Take here a fillet of 2. Select here. Okay, and apply. Now I'll take a radius of 1.5, and you can select this face or select these geometries one by one. Okay, this and this, and press OK. Now I want this mirror profile over the other side, so I go to the mirror command. So I'll take this mirror command, select fillet 1, fillet 2, feature selection, mirror plane. Initially I have made this from center axis, so I'll go to the origin and select here the XY plane. You can see it is lying between. Okay, so I selected the XY plane, so this will be the mirroring plane. Now when I rotate this, from here you can rotate, you can see the same profiles being mirrored. Now just here go to OK. So it is done. Okay. Now here you can rotate it. Now I'll define the appearance from here. I'll define it as chrome finished. So this is the chrome polished black. You can give or any color you wish to. So this was the final. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do that, please do subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.